What is happening, boys? Back again with another late night POV. I gotta make this a quick one, but this should be a cool video. This is the first late night POV since I've had the red seats, so you guys will see what the red seats look like under the stars and everything. It's off right now, but yeah, I'm just running to a soccer game real quick. I should get there at 11. My ETA is 11:05, so I'm gonna see if I can somehow beat it. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me for this little POV drive. This is my 2016 340. If it's y'all first time watching me, hey, let me get the stars running real quick. Yes, sir. That's a whole vibe, bro. That shit looks so good. Enough of me yapping away. I'm just getting later and later, so let me run it real quick. End of the car season, bro. It sucks. I gotta get winter tires on this soon, but it is what it is. I'm looking forward to next season already. Got some huge plans for this car. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do next year yet, but I know we're going fast for sure. Imagine that's a cop. This just sounds so crazy. I'm probably gonna turn pops off for like a POV because, oh damn, that's a cop right there. Okay, let me just lean back and, okay, nice, perfect timing, bro. Craziest thing is cops will be over there and they'll see me and they'll come and follow me for no reason. I've had a lot of things in mind though for next year. I haven't decided on nothing yet, but I've been thinking like I want to get into like an old manual JDM, probably a project car. That's probably after I get a hybrid turbo on the B58 though. I probably build like some manual or something, because this whole car, like, this is a whole journey, bro. Like, I learned this myself, and I feel like if I could do this, I could like also learn a whole different kind of car, you know what I mean, other from just Beamers, because I feel like it's a whole different world. The JDM, the manual thing, I feel like it's a whole different world than what this is. So that'd be cool to like have this plus something else, but I don't know. As most of you guys know, my dream car is an F82 M4, so it's probably easier to just go with my dream car instead of like getting a project car, because with doing that I could have afforded an M4 to be honest, but you know, that's just a whole different world. I'm not sure yet, just something I've been thinking about. Let me know if you guys think it'd be a cool idea in the comments. Even if I get like an F82 though, I'm gonna be like big turbo in that. Like, I'm really that big turbo world is like really pushing on to me. But if I get an F82, I'm not gonna be keeping the 340. I just don't see the point of that. But yeah, that's the thing. And if I get a project car, like, I'm thinking like an IS300, not for certain though, but I love them 2Js, and I would learn how to boost a car myself and all of that. And that's just such a good thing to learn, I feel like. Like I said, this car, everything I did to this car was my first time doing it, and I mean, it came out pretty good. The car looks okay. I won't say it's perfect, but you know what I mean? I feel like if I could do this, I could do something else too. And that JDM world just might be a whole nother door that I might need to open. But that's just me yapping away though. Nothing for certain. We'll see what next year brings. Probably just end up keeping just the 340 with a hybrid turbo, depending how fast that is. But the thing with power though, you get used to every power level, because like this doesn't even, it's not slow, but it doesn't even feel that fast to be honest. yeah, if I go hybrid turbo on this, that would still be a daily, so it would be perfect to daily this and build a project car. Let's see, I have to get winter tires real soon though. I'm gonna try to launch this thing. I'm motherfucking ripped, yes sir. I've been having the craziest thoughts, bro. I've been thinking about going LSD in this car. I know it's crazy to take an X-Drive BMW because everyone loves their X-Drive, but X-Drive is fast, but I just love that little rear wheel drive thing. That's also why I want an F82, but if I keep this and still get a project car, whatever project car I get, that's for sure going to have an LSD. Probably gonna have to swap it, but 100% gonna be rear wheel drive. Or I might just like go crazy with this car. I could just go crazy with this and also like have a reliable daily. I don't know yet, because a 340 with like a drag pack and all that, like, bro, I'm just now learning about like all this fast stuff. I ain't even gonna lie, if you guys go back to my oldest videos, y'all will see like I knew nothing about cars, bro. And I'm actually glad I recorded everything like that. It's kind of embarrassing going back watching my own videos. I'm like, damn, I was like so bad at driving and all, but being able to go back and watch my videos and seeing how I improved over the years, you know, it's pretty cool. So the fact I'm even talking about like big turbo, project car, all of this, drag pack, all that, it's kind of crazy, you know what I mean? Some of you guys have been watching me since I had my first car, the IS350. Shout out to all the OGs. Shout out to all of you guys, by the way, everyone that supports me, because my channel is small, but we consistently put like a steady number of views, so I know I got some real ones watching me, so I appreciate all y'all boys. But yeah, like I was saying, a lot of you guys have seen me like at my earliest stages when I knew nothing about cars, and y'all see how much I've learned. That just goes to show that any one of you guys can do the same thing, and not everything's about money either. I want to get that straight to y'all. I'm like one of them ones that's kind of like, I don't go crazy with my money. I haven't found the crazy YouTuber glitch yet, like the infinite money glitch. Yeah, I haven't found that glitch yet, so I don't got all that money like what I see them YouTubers got. Nah, bro, like this stuff I'm doing, it's all like on a fair budget, because like I ain't gonna waste all my money on cars either. It's a fun hobby, it's like my main hobby, but you know, I'm trying to do this while not breaking the bank as well. I see a lot of people saying like, yo, this is their dream car, and I'm not gonna say it's a cheap car. It's not cheap by any means. It's not like, I'm extremely grateful for it, but I try to keep things like on the more affordable side, and like this is not a crazy expensive car to own, and all this stuff I did myself. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is any one of you guys can do this, because I see a lot of people watching my videos saying, yo, your dream car is a 340, and I'm like, damn, there was a point where my dream car was a 340. It's still one of my dream cars. Whatever F30, I just wanted the F30 to be honest. But yeah, there was a point when like I didn't even think I could own something like this, and that's exactly how I feel about like an M car right now, or like some crazy project. But as long as you tell yourself, yo, you gonna make that shit happen, and you just actually do it, I mean, it's possible, bro. I know this POV is just kind of me yapping on tonight, but a little bit different. Late night POV. I'm almost at the game right now. I did not make it before 11, but I hope you boys enjoy this video. I'm gonna do a couple more pulls then just end it off. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. On the road to 20k subs. We have 15k right now. Roll the window all the way down for the last pulls. I hope it's not too windy, but at least I didn't ruin the whole video with it. I need to fix so much on my suspension as well. I know y'all can't hear everything in the video, but this car is not perfect by any means. There's a lot of things I still need to get done. Because that's another thing, on camera every YouTuber car looks perfect, but nah bro, like this just feels like a piece of shit to me, I ain't even gonna lie. But I still love it though. Oh, let me rip it down here. Fucking sounds so good, bro. But yeah, we just pull up. Let me rush into this game before they start without me. Thank y'all boys for watching again. I'll catch you in the next one.